What up, players, owners? Let's do it. Take it live. Dice roll. No Snake Eyes. Time is 9:04 a.m. Central Time. Same dice roll for both. No Snake Eyes. I can take a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Terry Gardner. We went 5 up over here. Up 5. Okay, we don't need to do that. Terry Gardner, you got a combo spot. Congrats. Kellenich went to the bottom spot. Who was the last spot? Who was the last spot? Tanner. Congrats for them. 5, 5, make it done. 9:05 a.m. Central Time. Thanks all.